Something's eating my strawberry plants.
So I'm putting a net over the entire thing so nothing can get in. Look at my poor strawberry plants. They just eat the leaves right off of them.
All right, so let's install this netting over my raised garden.
I like the material. It's definitely more durable than I was expecting. All right, so we got the poles, the instructions. Looks like everything's labeled with letters. We got this. First step is to lay out the base frame. So the A connectors go at the corners, the C connectors go in the middle. There's only two types of poles, curved and straight. So you're gonna take two poles and go between the corner connector and the middle connector. Then you're gonna use one of these couplings to connect the two poles. These connectors go in really nicely. It's like a perfect fit. They don't fall out. They got good friction, so they stay in place. And you don't need any tools, which is awesome. You just push it in. Next, we're gonna take another round of straight poles and add them to the upright connectors. All right, next we'll take straight connectors on top of that with one of the curved poles. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And the middle hoop will get a star connector, but the end hoops get T connectors. So this will allow you to connect the two hoops together at the top with two straight poles. All right, we got our hoop structure. Honestly, I was gonna DIY something here, but this is so much better. Look at this. And they were so smart to make it a little bit bigger than the 8x4 raised garden bed, so it could sit right on the ground and go around the whole thing and have plenty of clearance. All right, let's get this net on. Wait, which way do I go here? Oh, this has gotta be it right here. That's one end right here. Here's the other end right here. Yes. Oh my gosh. Whatever's eating my strawberries, good luck. This is awesome. So it gives you extra netting at the bottom so you can loop it around the pipe and then use these strings to tie it together. And they give you these stakes to anchor the whole thing down. So the stakes just go in these little sleeves. All right, so there we go. We got these nice big zipper doors that open up to give us full access to everything inside. You can close them up and keep all of the bunnies and deers and everything that's destroying your vegetables out of your garden. I mean, honestly, it would be just cheaper to just buy strawberries from the local farm. But you know, when you've already bought the raised garden, you've already spent the time planting everything, you might as well just go all the way and make sure that you're gonna be able to harvest your fruit. So overall, this thing's totally worth it. I was a little concerned about shading with the netting, but you can see the sun pretty much goes right through. So I don't think we're gonna lose too much sun with this net over top of it. So I'm finally gonna be able to sleep at night knowing my plants are actually growing and not being eaten. All right, guys, so that's my review of this raised garden net hoop house.